Hey guys, I was looking for some games to download and I came across Flipflop Solitaire. It's similar to the original but has its own twist. So what you can see here is a single suit game, hence why there are only spades. Where this game differs from the original though is the stacking of cards. Instead of stacking downwards, you can stack down and up. Here's an example. I can move this 7 below 8 and go up to 9, then back down to 8. It seems quite easy, doesn't it? But this flexibility of stacking doesn't actually make it that much easier. But it's good fun. Your results are based on the time you took to complete the game as well as how many moves you made. You'll notice this is being calculated on the top left hand corner when playing. The top right corner displays the menu button, which essentially pauses the time and allows you to resume the game, start a new game, restart the deal or quit altogether. Quitting saves the current game though, so you can go back to it later. And at the bottom there's an undo button for when you make a bad move or move a card by mistake. There's also a question mark that you can tap if you're stuck and want a suggestion for your next move. The game seems quite straightforward, but it gets challenging when you play a game with multiple suits. Why? Because whilst you can stack both down and up, you can only move cards from one pile to another if they're of the same suit. This is where it gets real tricky, and it's where the frustratingly addictiveness comes in. It ain't easy, but the challenge makes it fun. As with most free games, the game does have some ads, but by watching them you earn a free play reward card which allows you to play the 5 suit game once you've collected 5. I've played quite a few games but haven't managed to complete the 5 suit game just yet, but I'll get there eventually. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this game and thanks for watching.